Entebe kaniseji erangirirwe mukuru w'ebikwekwe Tom Police Frank Mwesigwa obwabire nabugana abadumizi ba police okurwa mu byanga bya Ankole Rwenzori Toro hamwe na Bunyoro mu rukiko rubira hamuga nkuru za district ya Kabarore.
Polizo mu twekeki abo kuba tubere ntwara mu ihanga ryona kureba ebitweke kuja kuzamu akavuyo kandi wareba imyanya erikukiro y'ubwingi n'imyanya eriyo omusitizi. So rizo twatu foto twantu meeting akamanda azaba kugambarira Hoima City hamwe na Kasese kongera kubahabura okutureje gukora ebiro 15 abantu baza kutera karuru kabo kureba ngo abantu bayino businge cyeno kubatina tinisa kandi baza tare center batera karuru kabo bategereza results.
Mwesigwa nagira ngo ihurije ya hotspot mapping y'ibaramuno bakora nka polisi egenderiro kwiyaho imyanye je yibaru kuteka ngo basa kuba muvuyo mu bururo kuza guterwe sandero kwija
kugira abasirikare baitu bari hama motoka na harpiki na bigere baku patrollinga emyanya yitukeka kugira mu akavuyo
ashoboriye ku polisi betebekani isokoragana jeni hiri ya Uganda People's Defense Forces abebihome hamwe n'abasirikare abandi okureba ngo mu za district Sinkambarara Kasese hamwe na Hoima nezinde ziri kuteka kuba muvuyo taba muvuyo yona.
We have reinforcement from UPDF, we have reinforcement from prisons, we have reinforcement from UA. So the security plan for the election is a joint capability for all the security forces. Recently recruited the election SPCs who are going to be at the polling station. Two at the polling station with batons, and that is their mandate, and that's where they will be stationed. So in terms of personnel and manpower, we are not being burdened.
Ogu agumiza abantu ngo bagume kandi batagira kutinda kona ubwagumize ngo nka polisi bahereze kwetebekanisa okureba ngo taba ukavuyo kono mu bururobu
ni impamiza abantu beitungu tsa kugira karuru ko businge abo kuba teireho entekateka yamani kureba ngo abantu ba leta akavuyo omusizoneji kandi omurimo gwitu no kureba ngo twangira kumantabura abasirikare beitu korra hamwe abo kuba twine agencies zona nza kwantwara nazo
Gasha kwa Jonathan Tusingwire.